am with my Stoeger side-by-side 12 gauge shotgun, and we're going to shoot some black powder out of that. I have not done that yet. But she's a fine looking shotgun, and I've shot it before, but just not with black powder. It's a real nice action. Let's load one up and see if we can make a mess of some of those targets back there. The black powder rounds I made did not like fitting into this shotgun, and vice versa. It did not like them. So I got tons of birdshot here. So let's fire into those targets. I call it a day. Okay, you ready? Here we go. On the left. Oh yeah, a little high. On the right. Woo! Makes a big old bang. Woo! Beauty. Whoa, dead center. Oh, now she's done. Tell you what. Yes, sir. Woo. A few more going in there. It's pretty redneck targets I got set up there, I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can knock this thing right off of there with a double off butt. Nope. Can't leave without doing a little black powder shooting. Got a few new targets up there, just to fire off a few and let it rip. Here she goes, number one. Beauty. Woo! Gotcha. Oh yeah. Left plate. Oh yeah. Is that target down on the fridge? Let's give that one a shot. Oh yeah. Well, I got one more. She's in. One on the left. Alright, thanks a lot you guys. It's a lot of fun to get that out. I wish that it had shot black powder, but that's a really fun gun to shoot.